Nonyo mwanya orankurira igaba ngosera.
Ngikiara.
Amagosa naraba kwaba umwino. Konya nasoka ichanga jirinja ke usibi. Ano nanyora bakugira n'imyoro bakabiga. Naroni yegira nelyo giriane. Abantu bajija n'umwana oyo manene orenkaiga. Asali ngikibarwa okoreke. Ochicha. Bana yoko nyana nasokire ngende nchukuri poti mugambi.
Ngikiaba. Nkibao kubi.
Bana ntokorera ndabiti negoro yeli bebe. Nje nonye mogondo kwa bagutinde kotacha. Lakini baeta ultimate nganga ibale korukuru. Banyora sijya matoka abayibiru mugondo. Tiaturu. Bono ultimate yo tungana orori. Lakini bachicha paka iga bakataba nta. Haburi ka kintata cha mugondo kwa ino. Kiako gara muko ngisere. Bara chiri chintunda sana. Nandi ndendira nandi to mante ore yeli bebe. Nande bagachicha nandi nemyora baka abatete komita. Gatoko mwana hiyo no manene no hali.
In fact Kelvin no mwana twaseli school fees oweka waseli paka watiga wasarenda ibika because okomoselero abako nani once the problem ya Kelvin gachire because of his humbleness abako ntakwira na back nandi paka bidi ngayo mwalimu so basa oti information ngaki ayo mwana olina tumite kagono ngayakari kwa ina back to school.
Currently I've been away for 3 good months and I'm a candidate. You can see that this is my year, so I want help from you guys. Inside at least I go back to school, make it, so that I become in a future person that the family can depend on.
Wancho murigereria Obosongo Vibes Network munere botambe kaka egasi yaito no gutara imase binyoro elio gokoretera aliagenderete ime ya Kisi na Nyamira mwabera abantu abaya mu gusupport kimirimo yaito na channel yaito na ende kindly temo subscribe channel yeye ekiagera ekerutari go subscribe iko na inche bono turi go support tafadhali subscribe tobasa kugojo tara subscribe litangani omanye kugocha litukuri rero nigo turase binyoro bya South Mugirango aiga nigo tore angeno mupaka okisi na Narok bomanyima no tore mangi ya toretira omugano no raigo mokongu kaka natakaba gusito yo tegerere kurwa butorenga ngito konyana mongina nara igarugura oromo buraka mwako yega asirete 2013 ekrasira akamutigira emechande menena senka akamutigira abana akamutigira obutakobo nene ikiagara go bare gotema ko kweriga rikuru mugondo banyora kinekero mugakasira kiregento muchigega korento kieke kigachaka kugenda south naende konye baoni ryo boremo basomeria abana obaigete gosomirwa na barabwo naende mbachieti konyora kende so egento giatoretira igekenene neringa mungino oyo gaguchandu sana n'abantu asingincharo mubura katabwationde bamuchandira asingincho buremu bakumurira butuko na mugaso mara bateba ari umuibi mara bamuminyokia mara bacha n'emioro buna rero nayo ngambacha n'emioro naende buoye naende away from that egento mono giatoreta no mwana bwatoyo mubwe out of the 7 omwana bwe koyomo ogosoma Maro secondary imaiga na ende South Mugirange binyora mwana oyo gakoro kwa Kelvin Onduso angima omwana omungaini egekone imagine tana kugenda skuru gatoratebe nga nkwenda ari skuru regularly na bana bande bakogenda kwende skuru bere sketa mwengima unabona last term form 3 end term etamu engima tarenge skuru na bako bera isiko mwako mugima bera sketa mwengima but yakirudi shule o etama temu in fact na tebigwa na chiko confirm class 8 gabwate 350 and above marks kureke nyoroma high school ma yeke nyoroma 350 marks such a mind korengana ne chi document tobwate he performs very well dongo and to school we confirm from there tumanye what next abagusiba minta somo yo bugwancha asomo yo limu bwate bwo konya abana ba minto gaki abana buna batari barabutoko takatwati gababera isiko tiganya sago kune asenkoreri yao ya ime ekera tuguchiko koro mugano oyo nyasago kune nkoro erinde ritorore ngakitoko konyana omwana yera ne skuru agenda asome abana bwa bagambi ba mambi abana bwa bagwakili ba mambi abana bwa barari ba mambia nyasatu bwa tsunigisa ukyo mu gusito support ya masomo kamara anchando nsi asimure muisonde ntu airo mu muragete tu arusi boda boda tukamuire class noyo nere tutakete ko make sure ngo somire akore buja na ndanyora good grade kirache ko mukonya mambi so that is why we are here today ntagete to tire go chomo chirogoro to teme ko gamba nangina and the boy from there we'll go back to school toigunganga kie school ya goteba and from there tutaona vile tutasaidiana aba musima
era nabali bakolera era nabali bakolera era nabali bakolera baechitakana ekerekia baechitakana ekerekia
Yo mulima
baechitakana ekerekia
Pancho Margeria tuachire kure skuru a distance ntambe sana paka mwabo Kelvin Onduso age sinkaransete mwabo Kelvin Nyomba kirise toko na koboli nyasaye nganto chitunore mamu mwabo Kelvin ekiagera asano estima tejo kiagera muchio to bwati stima kero kende simi go chachi na bera ababa kon ntomwa kirete simi lakini luckily enough tu amonyorire kaka ne family ere inse family nere kero wika kuruka gitoko yerigere ligama ligarwa maiso so lakini botambe bunango batebi ne eri abande idamodari konyegena family eri etavuga tikenda no nyasa ko rusia entetere ose no nyasa ko rusia ensase yo ekara ya soire asama saba momo yamanya gusambari nani yabo mureke bemberi bono kurwa nyasa oso ensase ekorukwa Kelvin despite this environment yorocha Mungu amechagua huyu ngoyere oikacha bengena ngeni yo muchiyo ekere tuikane gari mongina agachaka kubarabaria mariga nabuganga agatwarira obwoba ikiagera tatumanyeti na intu ntomo manyeti mbono tuomera ritangani lakini ndi tuamukanyire nkoro tuamatabiri ntumbara bikero kende ndi yawanyuka ngo mwana agaseri ukure school naende mwana taseri baba nekyukuruku
Nkuruku jeria mura ngima
jeria mura ngima naye mamu mwabo
Kevin
ari mwana ukarenga
uyu ari umwana wa gatano na kabiri
mwana wa gatano na kabiri asa hano bwate bonse pio na ruchiete university
ndetayo
class ni gabayete
enyero kentangani gite grade 7 abande bagaika grade 8 bagakora lakini bado jibasa chikampura bagujire school wango buna likanyoro mugaka na asirire ono ngasinyo bakaira na umumuro kabire igabwa agachieta akagenda ekibarua rindi Sakiri ko Nairobi no aberete uyo ndera no tuli neheranga
kila sirenga gete uyo Sakiri
8 wale bayikite bonse
sanadite ikobono tutebe ng'omumura Nyasaye arorekanire so muchio asabana saba Kevin Bweka uyo nde narororo nainde nero uri form 3 uyo kumubwati nere
Na bonko ni bako na goseliwa. Halafu na garamira tu igoro yikonde chiga iga.
Twangu mugano ritang'ani umugano buno musache tagasira na inde ngaki kwabire gokorera abana.
Omusina butwa bwa Trent nere kor maega. Akaona oni bigondo byane bire chieka ibire. Bono korwa umugondo yiga muna oneti akabachakirie skuru. Goika kera baigete grade 8 agasira umwaka uyu agasira ke bakorire. Bono nkaburuna na
Bono class 8 yani iri ntang'ani.
Eri enkoro yi. Bono bagasinga sinyuna kinko bagendereri. Bono bagachaka kuyumba mali bakagenda oya akagenda soni oya manene mumuro yo kabira akaendera sakiri ko Nairobi. Nyaro kenene ikaenda bwoye. Nabwata abana bane. Halafu ni nyaro kaya kabire nere gachi ikaenda bwoye. Igaika form 2 nera ngasi bono kumuire school. Nera akagenda bwoye. Nere ngino mwana oyiga. Kurwa bono abandi mbali grade 7 boniga babire bari mapaja. Ona nabara bako na goseli guga mini wena ranga kana nyorira kamyatana kegeti anda konyo yiga. Yasinya. Ona nabako na goseli guga na bari stili somire igo baikire grade 7 no bari bono.
Kwanago akana kwanago apply bursary ya constituency.
Bursary na apply tentangani aso yiga egajicha. Muna yachite 1000. Igorari nari balance yari nyinge mono kule form 2. Ngagenda muna nayibe kasi giteka kapagi kumpaka pagi kali kabwate amaraba geteimi kakanda kakabuka ibiraba ngochikwire skuru mwalimu akanga bono kanyitika igo
yani ngichiba serenga
1000.
Pole baba
Kurwa bono echiga chinde twa prabwa ngo ikanchanya bocha.
Igo kuru form 1 era paka aikire form 4 inere bursary yokanya.
Inere yanyorete.
Abagusiba itombari sikari babwato gwanchokuya bara bamino matena bora rora je bwe kumuchi oyo nachiko nanya tubwati ni basiga koranga ni basi bara tamba
barare bado no na baiga bari nsaiga boye gori mata iga no nyumwana orankurira iga bangosera.
Ngikiara
Amagosa naraba kwa ba umwino konya nasoki changa jirinja ke usibi. Ano nanyora bakugera n'imyoro bakayiga. Narone yigira nelyo giriana abantu bajija n'umwana oyo manene olenkayiga asali ngike baruo koreke ochicha. Bana yo konya nasokire ngende nchikuri poti mugambi.
Ngikiaba nkiba uko.
Bana ntokorera ndabiti negoro yeli bebe. Nje nonya mogondo kwa ba gutindi kotacha. Lakini baeta ultimate nganga ibari korukoru. Banyora sijua matoka bayibiru mugondo. Tiaturu. Bono timate yo tungana orori. Lakini bachicha paka iga bakataba nta. Haburi ka kintata cha mugondo kwino. Kiako gara muko ngisere. Bara achiri chintunda sana. Nandi ndendira nandi to mante ore yeli bebe. Nandi bagachicha nandi nemyora baka abatete komita. Gatoko mwana hiyo na manene no hali. Alafu tukaenda polisi tukalipoti. Wakabwatu lakini bado nandi bakaigorera.
Igori twacha kwabona antu bajiro kubwata ne gari. Matenara go kubarabaria mariga sana nasinyo ku understanding ningi kyalenge.
Asinge naro mwana ime. Na kikiaga nalengere no mwana gosira.
Bona ba mata ba mino na ba ngakimorere tete na barabo.
Abaikatori na barabu chindu kwasige nkaka iga.
Bono ngibago kubuni kiagari bono itokere no nyomba atindiroji ngikia.
Nani nonya na abana bane bacha bari barabu arenge baira ne school. Sene nkongo kaka. Pole. Lakini wetera 70 byonsi abononya sakoro asinjira ngoma nyito ngoja tolera. Ana ale kumanya nimeji sana sana. Santi.
Maybe kero kenda away from a school fees yo mwana oyo. Mochando kinando bwatenga.
Chandu bana ne mariogia imbwate. Alafu na school fees ya bana no nyina baiga bakibansi yani. Ani no ne ndagira. Timbwate nkuri mwana ge. Na baba nko tema ibi barwa igananya kuragira igora kinirende. Tari muna bana bagoteba na tingende kuiba nanya gukora ibi na ndesiri tari ya Yesu timbwate ko kutambenje. Haya. Ni bakorengererire ndese nginjo bana ntabwate. Ndende lakini ndende nje siri tari ya Yesu liringo sabanya sahi. Ebiti mbwate.
Obore mumu abwate umusega oneti agasomeria abantu.
Gaoneti.
Lo current bore mumbo yo mukore mabandu.
Mbohiyo. Bora antigiritie inusu yakaguchiruguru gaegoti. Kabwata na buna chakiriti umwana yiga form 1 kana nanyota kugenda kuna goseri uwe kahoni miaka 5 alafu rinde ngachakiri umwana yiga school form 1 wanda kurwa ku
Uyani oga kondisi
ngakondisi tari koni misi ngakondisi
Mwancho murigerera chi story nchiro korigereria kwa igunga mariga gagocha maiso lakini rene Nyasaye naro baba Nyasaye nakurwanirire birechere na bakurwania mechibune yeye wana maybe asinge njo waro chinga mugakata iyo but finally Mungu atakupigania Nyasaye nakurwanirire
asante
abagusiba minto Mwaiguro mugano bo mongino oyo ayopunga Nyasaye ngo koraro gwanja engana ya abagusiba mino bari bakurigeretie ari natako basabo bokoni uri uragani wow nakina atakangana aigana bora ari naje bwe kore lakini abana ba mino bari sika bange sana ekiagero mugano oyo gochira abantu abange mono bantu bari sikari abange nandi babwato gwanja okuya abandi babwate ndagera egende basinyire sibakoira matense Nyasaye to sesenetie etofauti na baranyoro umuntu gwati kibando kiguni na misini ateba ya kibande kiguni ibere karangirira umongino ori wese kiguni sano karangirira umongino ori abana banakoria kware konyora ribaga gukwanira abagusiba mino ekiagara ni maeta saga kwarerire singinjo tabwati umuntu gukwanira wana okogoserwo kwarira guchinda na bana rukorera buna litwa na ruguna korera gutirimboka naho nkibonoke na actually na togocha na nyumba na bana ruguna gwetinya mariga wana tinyeti ku understand ningi kumbe kwenye abantu bakogoseire so abagusiba mino bari bagotegera tari nanda abandi barabana ba mino nkyoro chora abatebe
akinchi usenda sabama bera ama ani umusama ko chese ani nda sebe obokoni kurwa saba minto singencho kuremerunde emeire no konene sana kenda nyore ba konyire nenje na bonkwira ndi Nyasaye mbiya muno
asante mwancho murigereria na arayo ayande ntokwane ekiagara naende nkwire na turi gochia eskuru mwancho murigereria tuko na Kevo hapa ntagitara atueleza mugano yengaki kiagara na nero manyite endi anaelewa vizuri na erora ali skuru achake na marieta na ndatueleza nga challenges kiabereka gwetera ku form 1 all the way to form 4 Kevo karibu to kwaneke gusi but unaweza changanya ase mahali na kulemea
Okay. English, Kiswahili.
Whichever language you're comfortable.
Thank you. My name is Kevin Onduso. I'm a student currently at Marois in the secondary school. I'm a candidate, but facing many challenges despite the fact that my father passed away in 2013. I'm remaining with only mom and the other 7 siblings. Mom has no efforts. Mom has no way she can be able to raise school fees for me and the other ones. So actually I've been out for quite long now because of school fees, despite the fact that the school has tried its best to just keep me so that I can be able to catch up with the others. Currently I've been away for 3 good months and I'm a candidate. You can see that. This is my year, so I want help from you guys. Saidi, at least I go back to school, make it, so that I become a future person that the family can depend on. Yeah, for me, I'm an albino, and despite the fact that there is lack of school fees, I've got the physical challenges, especially specs, those studying materials and clothing. You know, I'm not like the others, so mafuta kujipaka bado hiyo ni issue, because for me mafuta yenye najipakanga si kama hii yenye nyinyi mnajipaka, so yeah, one that bottle is up to like 1,000, but I thank the government that recently wameleta mafuta, though ni kupata hiyo transport kwenda mafuta bado ni shida, lakini I thank God all in all. So you know, I don't know, sometimes I feel bad nikiwa away from school, because me, I like schooling, I like academics very very much. I want to be somebody in future. I just want to be someone in future. Yeah.
Maybe if someone gets a chance to pay school fees for you, which grade can you promise?
In fact, I was aiming to become a lawyer.
Okay.
Yeah, having role models likes of Lumumba Patrick, likes of James Orengo, very prominent lawyers we have around, like Danstan Omari. So I'm looking up for those guys. As much as I want to become a journalist, yeah. So partially I do having talents, like I don't play in any sporting activity, but I like singing, and partially I can do journalism. Like in school, I'm the chair of the journalism club. Yeah, so if someone comes over and decides to help me, well and good, I can make it. That one I assure you. In any way, I can make it. Regardless of anything, I can make it. Yeah, I believe in God. That with God, everything is possible. Yeah, and if you come in and help me, I assure you that you will see me somewhere in tomorrow.
How many marks did you score in standard 8?
I had actually at primary, I had the greatest. I had great challenges, yeah, because I never had specs. I needed specs, but I lacked specs. Despite all those challenges, being outside, like even 1 year full, repeating all those because of school fees, because they never wanted to understand me, yeah. So I managed to score marks of 353, and I wanted to
353
marks, yeah.
Ulitwa shule gani? Away from Maru.
I was called to Longisa Boys, but because of, you know, financial status of my background, I never made it. So I joined, a friend of mine called me. I went to Kawagarson Secondary School Form 1, and I stayed for 2 terms. Because of school fees, he stopped funding me. I came back to Nyumbani School, that's Maroe Sinde. And the boss had decided to listen to me, yeah, and started paying small amount of money he could raise, because as well as his own duties to all the responsibility to take care of. So yeah, when the former principal passed away, now we have a new principal. Hope he's going to understand me, but the school has been doing its best to keep me, because they understand that I'm a bright student. I'm a very good leader when it comes to handling school responsibilities. I'm in charge of the Students' Council, Maroe Sinde, being their head boy. Yeah, so that's among some reasons that they are attached to just keep me running, so that mom can maybe find something to pay for me.
Okay.
But the current situation is, sometimes I even come home, cry, because I cannot tell mom I'm outside. I've come because of school fees. Yeah, so unaelewa. So mom ukimwambia ni yule mwenye, so unamwambia yeye aanze kulia, maybe pressure ipande, so things like that. Sometimes nakujanga quietly, nakaa kwa nyumba, nalala, nasoma. Yeah, to avoid mama asinione kama nimetoka shule. Si unaona hadi sasa nimekuja ameanza kulia just because amejua tena ni kama tena nimetoka hapa there was last Monday. Nitoka hapa Monday nikaenda shule. So vile ameniona nikana tena sense umemtuma tena nyumbani. So kule kushtuka. Yeah, so it is Personally, kuna very many things that I can tell you guys, but to be short in words is I really need your help, guys. I want to study, be somebody great, greater, and even help not only the family. I want even the community to look upon on me so that I can help.
Have you ever had access to any politician, a member of parliament, the area MCA, the Kisii governor for help?
You know, these things happen like, not everyone understands you. Yeah, not everyone understands you. I don't want to say, sometimes I understand politics because sometimes I know how they go. Reaching those people, there are these malicious guys around who surround those people. So reaching politicians, it's sometimes problems. I once had tried to reach the area MP, but that treatment I received from those guys who are around was not that good. Considering the situation with my physical, challenges, you don't want to push yourself so hard, unaweza umia. So I dropped. I've tried several times. Maybe they are in the future coming. I don't know. But currently, nothing is on the way. Maybe in the future, but not now.
Thank you. Mancho murigereria bantu mbaraiga baruchinga familia ya muntu tayo gukwana manyete bantu mbarekera barorire nga bono nkei muntu tayo, yani hakuna kitu na tugenda tusarie bintu na tugenda tubaiti, yani neta bitu bwate bunaba gusinge kera kwarigirerio muchikwanya orire nga look at this ani bantu mbare bakurire nyomba buneye hata banga hakuna kitu hapo, bantu bakurire cyo kone buneye ra mabati hakuna kitu hapo, mungino utabwati muntu uragende, yani wanaona tu, yani there is nothing on abuto ko monchi buna turanyare, but ndage to kwana ringana because this goes on record. Kiagera nje nkurunda iga mungino ntumanya ini mwana ntumanya ini, I just came here tumetuna na nyora, lakini Nyasaye nabwa to murubiri why I was here today. Kinyurekene wata bekuru mu itongo umwana go some primary, actually some primary gani
Kikungo primary.
Hiyo wapi? Hapa tu. So mtoto anasoma shule kama hiyo Kenyoroma anapata over 350 marks. That is a national case. Mwanafunzi wenda kaenda Nairobi School, Alliance, Kisii School, shule kubwa. Halitima itinga year arenge karitu ari kuira abane school because by the time mwamshwa kora is 4 years, around 3 years ago. Kera kora class 8 we were still active asa mangana charity work. But irende chinga kieti Nyasaye kwenye taranja. Nyasaye ganjire nga chinga kieti bona twari gukonyora. Tigantebe gangukura. Omochioyo nabo kaanda irana gusitingira na miaka ngogendere mu murongo kora form 4. But I want to tell you mongina. Inchekinde mobani aende lakini umukristo ndi. Aiga umujono Nyasaye kuja cross. Hapa ndio Mungu atatengeneza. Asante. No Nyasaye kuja crossia erinde asokia babisa. Bali bakagetenga ngo cha kuguchongeri bale. A few years to come. 2 to 3 years on form 4 bono tiato emiaka ene because by the time ngo nyorokore university. Aiga no Nyasaye ga barabutika bana kuguchongeri aye baire buna bali. Don't complain, I can kwaso nyomba kwarira kwasa banyazao. Ngoja koira na next time okonyoro mumuroyo gari somebody else somewhere. Because na morally potential umete nchire mu kwana n'umuntu kwarura utingo yera gagi. Yani nchire mu kwana n'umuntu bagwate banguyo oyo is destined for greatness. Gakanje seitongare. Seitogekare marani aige turange no mupaka obogere. Taribo. Aige tore nsinyo. Bomanyi ensinyo ya Kisii County na Narok County. No tore tuki never knew na amanyete gosengo chanda lero. But this is how God does his things. Asa maiso amwanya bantu. I hope God is doing miracles with this young man iga. Samokonye aite buya anyore mirimo. Disability is not inability. That's what people say. Is very determined. Kakiti kamba boli abagusi. Omwana ko bere isike tamu engima. oira ne school onyo B minus. What kind of mind is that? Aya kwa hivyo nagoteba in primary he could stay home a whole year umwaka mugima pi oira ne school onyora over 350 marks. Sasa huyu ni mtoto wa aina gani? Ni mtoto ambaye atapita mtihani vizuri sana. So as we leave this place, saka tomujio na ndebire cha itrare. Amen. Saitani ya itrare. Amen. Na bali moko na kujando monginonde mondo oche. Kere video ngo anyora muri ngoje beko mutanda na niki gusi. Kachimukuru gutogoto. Kachimutige. To komanya mambi y'umuntu. To komanya mambi y'umuntu bunerabe. True that. Naboko jayo mukyoyo maambia nyore ngano gote gusabike biriti naboko jayo mujioyo maambia nyore nga this is the place where gote gusabe school fees in years to come maambi na maambi ende mamuro aki konye mwana no sarigu hapa ndio mtakuja kuomba school fees tena rosio wa matobu ya nyasaye kare moyo maambi nyasaye gakore to wanjiru mujioyo na yeto kiwe in good books with this family na yura nyoro bokonye lakini akana gutioroka maybe akobwate chieka kobakwate kia kobwata bamino aitura kwerwa haya nada kwenda shule kurwabwo and then tumakora what next tusaidiane. But before that I have a few document here. Mwana oyo Kelvin gombwate school fees iga ya reas ya form 1 paka bono form 4. According to this record, yes statement twanyoranga yes this document na kitota getekora etera. The last school fees siga akanete, the first school fees akanete 2023 tarehe 27 March agakane 3300. Agachomo tienyo gatano 2023 agakane 1500. Agacha omotienyo sita 2023 agakana siringi 900. Chibasa bagwa kana kero mwaka is 30,000 Kenyan shillings. So the total amount of money akanire in the entire academic year ya very high school 5,700 Kenyan shillings. Choka. Form 1, Form 2, Form 3 paka muna wana Form 4. Chibasa choka akanira sobo kumabua ibune school fees. Siringi 5,000 na 700. Lakini ase fees ya bado is able to score a B minus. Not even a B minus, a very strong B minus of 7.86 points. Now, of 7.86 senior points. So, I want to beseech Abagusiba Minto, we have a kibarua. A balance yetikata up to Form 3, you get 70,900. A balance ya Form 4, you get 31,000. Go make that total, go to 101. Huh? Think so. It was about 101,000. 101,000 minus 5,700. Let me get the accurate figure. So yeah, it was about 94,200. 70,900 plus 30,000 plus 31, similar 1,000 minus 5,700. Oh no, mochokoro ni mchuku ono yorukiru baba. So a balance ya wata 96,200 amaliza baka Form 4. So Abagusi of goodwill nyasago kunandonsi ya sori buna berega kuba kuna ski story tu akorire. We want to raise 96,000 tunataka 97,000 Kenyan shillings tulipie huyu kijana shule tokirie asoma kure achakore clearance yaye agende university nyasaa mokonye asome buya. So shilingi 500 chiao, shilingi 200, shilingi 1000 naenda abantu mali nyasaa sisereti mora akani 97 chance ula ili appreciate kidogo kidogo hujaza kibaba. Mwana huyo naenda taire na school by the Form 4 sahi anafaa kukua class. Naenda want to thank asa maskania manene ngwa kirambi ya mano eskuru ekorukunga maro na buli watu kukubona maro maro skuru kunga maro ekiagera they have taken over the burden no nya kabwate balance na bakora mubeke skuru ora soma buna bono is in school iga seru na inda gaja bari mbagacha bakamurigi because we spoke to them actually story nyorte gwetira Wilberforce no nya nyorte koru tukakuwa na bari bakamuri ni school is been out kwenda Monday. I think it was on Monday. So akarudi on Monday. Bono abo gusitika tubwatira na somo bugwancha. Asomo bugwancha. Turute jibese jinga tua. By the end of today night, we say by the end of tomorrow, we say latest on Monday. Tukuje tulipe school fees kijana ache stress ya some mama wache kulia. Msikia hata tukobe lawyer bado na bokobe lawyer na ndobe journalist. You know journalism has no boundaries. You can be a lawyer and at the same time a journalist. Yes. Ocho kwa nyama mumino abantu abako no kuminyogisi kao babeke chera babutero. Simple like that. So tunataka kurudi shule tena, mengine tutazungumza. Mwancho murigeria as chi story kito chonsi weka tokore gendo toko kanga verification, that's why twachira se skuru tokwa ne skuru enyene etwerese igoro yo muroyo iga okuruko Kelvin nga kyago perform etabia inga kira se skuru ne bintu binde binge aiga nimbwate ebasa ye skuru ne rubwate records ya fee payment na ande he has been skuru yo long enough iga so muntu rato history ngia nere karibu sana basi.
Thank you so much.
Ukikuru kwa Maria
Itachila nengolo kumbiro wa Ayunga.
Yes.
Na vile marwesi inde
anike gusi you can mix Kiswahili and English where you are comfortable.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Miaka kwa berda.
Na vile marwesi inde for 11 years now.
11 years.
Yes.
You are a veteran.
Yes.
Umwanafunzi na tukubwati kesi kya yokuruko Kelvin Angima.
Yes.
Tuliambiwa nasoma hapa na tumekuja tu confirm ile actually mwasoma iga.
Yes.
Nimpate report form ya iga na school fees arrears. Maybe can you give us a general comment? Yo mumroyo ngakyomo manyete no yo say na ni school ano agosoma. How do you know this boy?
Kelvin Awero mwanafunzi one miaka mingi sana.
Yes.
School form 1 right paka bwana yomekira form 4. Kelvin no mwana obate discipline iri hali ya juu. Namba ibere Kelvin no mwana mongaini sana class ime. Tusame hapo is all mna nakwenda mangana hiyo. Sinjobo ngaini bwaye nere twabeka kabe head boy yes kuliana.
Excuse me, baba president.
Toko baka president.
Yes.
Meto ko mutoko president we kabo muntu mongaini muntu ro mwasioko muntu outgoing okwa na bantu biye.
Nando what a good character.
Nando what character number 1 to kola ligere before tabe ko muntu abe head boy school or say president school. Yes.
So I was told this school ege bwata bana over 800. Something like close to that. Because another form 1 bali go say current bali go say yes.
Current enrollment to wata bana bali 961.
Aish.
Yes.
961.
961.
So yeye ndiye amesimamia hao wote.
Yeye ndio president wa wote. Yes.
Now, Kelvin ndochi the last school fees ya kanete 2023. Shilingi 3300, kalipa ingine 1500 and the last payment ilikuwa on 6th June 2023. Akalipa 900. Kelvin mocha ndokia wapi?
Kelvin no mwana yo mokuru sa family ko a very humble background. Osumbukire sana mangana fees payment. In fact Kelvin no mwana tuwa seli school fees oweka waseli paka watega wasarenda vika because okomosendero abako na once the problem ya Kelvin ga achire because of his humbleness abako ntakwira na back.
Okay.
Na ndi paka bidi ngayo mwalimu so basa oti information nga akia mwana olina tumeteka kono nga yakari kwa ile back to school. So because he comes from a very humble background otwale mechande mene sana kwa kana fees yayi una wate bila mainaro the last payment Kelvin yabe akolete yange 2023 ndi alenge the scholar ataraja boarding akaka singe 3300 akana 3500 akana singe 900 that's all Kelvin yakalete. Yes.
We know in school na umoko mwala asome.
Yes.
Lakini rende kago kora matemu I'm very sure nga wikatu ale problem ya clearance.
Yes.
That is what we don't want. Actually no university na bata agende because of the delays fees.
Yes.
Ngikia basugumete bune school mukateo mwana otigaso boarding na ndasome despite the non school payments.
Umeto mwana mongaini mwambi
yes.
Mwana mongaini ngo ikore wasi ngo mseti eknege teke mara kurigel sana
yes.
Ngo ikore wasi but ko nyoranga omwana una seli sana as an asset for the school ya bida le kwa rekse campus nini kwa mo withdraw back order school wone ndike ko ko mwana school most of them without this phase ase njaro mongaini na that discipline.
Okay.
Otherwise ko tadi mwana ole mongaini kango Kelvin tikere school kango tikere chiri lakini because toko seli and tweka twenye ngo mwana twa seli no mwana mongaini twa and twa mo call back from the family to manage back to school.
Okay. Mwana mwa rusika.
And to rusika to mwana. Like now the last time mwana yegera into school.
Okay.
Ninje basa na chete paka nganga tebingina na mwana or Kelvin. Na ro by the in fact par. Ngama nyora par ngatebingina no. Mwana yiga is missing a lot. No etara aka na yakora amureta na ndio ta imagine. Aona na nema odo sedi toko kwate lakini mwana takara toke school. So he has a problem lakini are on the masses of the school. That's why I couldn't back to school.
Ekrango read report form form 3 excuse bana bali koirora because of the new system. Mwana natakora mate muko mupushirioka.
It's true.
Form 3 takoreti exam ya third term.
Yes.
Lakini report form yembo atene ya first term.
Yes.
Form 4.
Yes.
Despite thing atakoreti matemu ayobuga arengi kama ibi tamu ingima.
Yes.
Because of those problems.
Yes.
Ne challenge ya skin.
Yes.
Is able to be position 2 out of 191.
Yes. Kelvin aligo toke school sahi 24/7. Monte ura mwekere masomo. In fact, kotabe maene like now term form 3, term 3 anga term ingi matachi school because of fees arrears na pengine medical ground, but medical tell major sana because of fees. Once was the man Kevin otati kumwira ni kumurigo runga is a problem. Tari kwenda back to school. So I miss them because of fees. Otherwise mwana yari gotoke school akora matemu asome na bandi 24/7. Mwana te ura mwekere. Akuna.
Ayibune basa mwabene reko form 1.
Yes.
Grade kiorocha yani abe settle FEC yakanu akai tukusoma. Grade Kelvin yaranyora.
Kelvin saya bere school 24/7 asome na bandi kama kawaida. The minimum unda expect was Kelvin A-. Wow. The minimum unda expect for A-. Is that sharp boy? Yes.
Aba gusimba reba turigerete.
Yes.
Maybe bakwanira ngenga na yemo ngakitoka kora tokonye Kelvin.
Mwanya getinga ba mondigerete na montegerete. Gusiti ndu wata bana very talented and very bright. Ayo mo wona single out Kelvin. Onye njira ya toka abana muna baiga bako konyu ba support batoke school fully. Abana baiga will be an asset as a Kenyerugate as a society to emyaka yabusi. So onye njira nira toke umwana muno ya Kelvin abo atoka boka bagambe baito abantu baito bali bamutegerete mu bwatu mwana yoko bako musire kabisa na bagote kutwara matuna ya mambi na mambende. And again considering no mwana what disability mate eke kali yeto to konyo ke disability bana muna baiga mpata kile kwa nachadi mbachi weti koka bati kutoka society nga okoba maybe mbwate challenges mune chikana kiko chintari ko konye bana baba chibuya baba to koboko buye will be an asset to the community ana bana main.
Lastly this one ndeba ko
yes
abantu mbatobori ali ngaki basalitiri South Mugirango
basa nile South Mugirango yes. Lakini ni nteba nga kenga intumne skuru nkoya na datora alitakire onye ne fee structure bago saba nkoya na nande onye ne report form bango saba nkoya na nande so eyinda atikira bagambe baito bagusi batebinga mechano.
Yani what I wanted you to confirm
yes
in Keringa Kelvin tana wakanero ne basari because I can read this record okay timanyi maybe if that we chichi timanyi ti constituency ngikuru kwende but rendo mai to mudra bara to holinga gikaka gangi umwana yitari wakanwe basari so nakinata kito clarify ngaki Kelvin ona wakanerwa e basari in your school.
Yeah, Kelvin basari ya nyagocha
has
been having a challenge of wakani fees.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bia muno sana.
Thank you.
Mancho murigereria kwa igure bone basa ye school ya tebire eye maro esinde secondary school South Mugirango. Mwana yiga okurukwa Kelvin Angima currently gale form 4 na ende gare president ye school but a very bright student. Kerangorigereria the report form ya iga igaro mwana mongaini English yabwate A mathematics yabwate B chemistry yabwate C history yabwate B CR yabwate a very clever student tutakere ko ba supported asome elinde lyache ko mwana mongaini aiga ni gotore binyoro bya South Mugirango kaka from such an environment from such a school omwana konyora such a grade oino mwana mongaini o compete na bana bara Alliance Kids School and other national schools lakini nda senyo nchi fee challenges kali gocha school regularly una kwaigwa ekera ali kuru form 3 oja form 4 third term exam takoreti na ende taringe school the whole term. Lakini with that, Inga is able to sit for an exam na ende onyora a B minus, a very strong B minus, a week. Ya mean grade ya 7.86. That's a very strong B minus. And overall position at a position 2 out of 191 students. Imagine, umwana buno yabere class umwaka mugima uino umwana urakora biya na ndo uranyora very good grade kerache gotokonya in the Republic of Kenya. Bagusiba minto bari mu bwato gwancho kuya utambe buno tuabere togokora asamabera manene tiga to supportie umwana oyo iga erinde elio nere mambi ache kobo umuntu ngibere isato inye isano nabokonyoranga tuwakore that school fees erinde elio mu muroyo atigare skuru asome aiche gokonya abantu baito as a community kura se skuru ya Maro esinde maiga South Mugrango ebinyoro ime muletane nguru koroja sikaka sungura nyasawe.